Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit a class using Google Classroom. Setting up your digital classroom on a desktop or a laptop gives you the complete view of all your tools, making it easy to organize your lessons and customize the experience of your students. First, look at the top right corner of your main dashboard and click on the large plus symbol. Then, select Create Class from the drop-down menu. Now, fill out your classroom details using these step-by-step actions. So first, type a name for your class in the class name box. This is the only required field you must fill out. Next, fill out the optional sections for section, subject, or room. This is highly recommended if you teach multiple periods or subjects and want to keep them separated. Then, click the blue Create button at the bottom of the window. It will take just a few seconds for Google to build your new digital room. Finally, once your new class opens up, you can easily change how it looks. Look at the main banner image at the top of your screen and click Customize. You can choose a theme color, select a photo, or click Upload Photo to feature a custom picture of your own choosing. If you ever need to change your class details or description later on, simply return to your main homepage, click on the three dots icon on your class, and select Edit to update your text at any time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.